Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can apply for the Bank of America's premium reward credit card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, you need to open up your web browser. So you can use any web browser that's convenient for you. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box, so then you need to type in www.bankofamerica.com. You can also find this link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and on this page you can see in the left hand side corner there are information regarding the card, and under it you have an option as apply now. In order to apply for the card, you need to click on it. Once again, on the other interface there are information regarding the card, so make sure to go through all of these statements before you proceed on with the application. And after you've gone through it, scroll down, and right at the bottom there is an application portal. So first of all, you need to provide your first name and then middle name, and after that you need to provide a residential address or the permanent address. And after that you also need to provide your contact information, and after that you can even provide your email address if you want. Once you're done, tap on save and continue. Next interface, you need to log in into your account. Next interface, you also need to confirm whether you are the customer of Bank of America or not. So for that you need to provide a detail regarding the online banking account of Bank of America, and once you do that, next interface there will be a confirmation. So in order to confirm, a verification code or a link will be sent through an SMS or an email. All you need to do is paste in the verification code or tap on the link, and after that you've successfully verified your account. And finally you'll be notified about the request, and within 10 to 5 days you'll be able to receive your premium reward credit card of Bank of America. So that is how you can apply for it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.